Quality, compassion, and award-winning care. St. Joseph Mercy Health System.
760 WJR. Right now, traffic and weather. WJR Right Now Traffic is brought to you by the new D Las Vegas. We have congestion northbound on 375.
Let not your heart be troubled. Twitter Army Brigade, and we are one stronger today as at Hard Hat Dave and at Edge of Anarchy 38, better known as Southern Comfort. Allie and Dave had little baby Alina today, and I am a proud uncle. Not really an uncle, sort of like an uncle.
Hey, how you doing?
Bellman.
You are required by law to wear a seatbelt. Put your damn seatbelt on. Pull it over. Pull over. Pull over right now. Pull over. Pull your ass over. Pull it over. Pull over. Pull your vehicle over. You understand me now? Who the hell do you think you are? Pull over. Pull it over.
Intelligence community, fury at the State Department, and fury within the Clintons that they are being blamed for what happened in Benghazi, and that this president, once again, Mr. Excuse Maker, can't man up, put his pants on, sit at the table, and take responsibility for his failures. And he goes right into cover-up mode, just like Pastor Furious, all the blame tsunamis, earthquakes, Fox News, talk radio, kiosks, ATM machines.
Yes!